Guys, I'm so happy. You know why? I can do my thumbnail. I just learned it from myself. I just like created, like, if you post a video, just press like where is the video, like example, like something. So see this. Now first, like, put the title and this. Just like press the this, and you just need to edit your picture and press this. If you edit your picture, just press this, and wabam, just put the picture. You need to do the thumbnail, and that's it. That's it. That's all it is. So I just now learned. I didn't go on YouTube because I just see this. I was like so shocked because I was like, oh, I can do my thumbnails now. So I didn't go to YouTube. So easy, right? Now do it now if you post a YouTube channel. Bye bye.